Hi, this is John Burek at PCMag.com. We're here at the Zotac suite at CES 2020. And what do we have here? This white PC square here is a mini PC called the Inspire Studio. Now, Zotac is very well known for doing mini PCs of all stripes, some for industrial, some for gaming, some for other use cases. This one is for creators, and the fact that it's white might be a signal to that. We've seen a lot of creator-oriented PCs and laptops over the last, I'd say, 6 months to a year, and the signal colors always seem to be silver or white. So what's inside of this machine? Now, this is not a typical like workstation level Xeon Quadro based SKU. What it is actually an RTX 2060 Super and a Intel Core i7 9700 8-core desktop chip. Now that's a full socketed desktop 8-core chip, and that's a key distinction to be made here. I mean, Zotac and some others do mini PCs. They're not always socketed chips. This one is actually the equivalent of a small or large tower with a socketed processor in it. So that's actually pretty impressive to get it in a system that size. In terms of what you would use this for, I mean, an RTX 2060 Super is a pretty robust GPU, both for gaming and for content creation. So if you do GPU accelerated content creation apps, this will make you very happy. If you like to play games at, I would say, high settings and 1080p or medium to high settings and 1440p, this should be very solid. So if you're looking for a dual use gaming and maybe software development and or video editing station, this is a nice compact little machine. Now I'm sitting right next to it here. I don't hear any sound coming from it in terms of fan noise, and considering what's inside, that's pretty impressive. So one thing that's special about this PC that I failed to mention earlier is that it's actually a member of NVIDIA's Studio program. NVIDIA's Studio program applies to laptops and desktops that NVIDIA certifies to be ideal for certain content creation applications. And the way that it certifies that, the systems have to meet a certain set of minimum specs, and then they are allowed to use NVIDIA's Studio drivers, which are optimized for content creation apps as opposed to gaming. So this machine is expected in Q1 of 2020. We don't have any pricing on it yet, but if you're looking for a content creation desktop that isn't a big honking tower, this is a very nice and elegant looking machine, and it's quiet too.